Welcome back. The High Court of Bombay at Goa has reserved its order on a petition challenging appointment of Justice Sudarshan Reddy as Lokayukta of Goa. Petitioner Iris Rodriguez has contended in his petition that the selection process of Lokayukta was not in accordance with the law.
Petitioner Iris Rodriguez argued that Goa government has violated the law during selection of the first Lokayukta of Goa. He noted that government had formed a search committee headed by Advocate General rather than asking Chief Justice of the High Court to suggest the name of the Lokayukt as per law. He alleged that in a letter written by Chief Minister to the Chief Justice of Bombay High Court mentioned that only a Supreme Court judge can be appointed as Lokayukta, whereas the law also allows even a High Court judge to take the position. In reply, Advocate General Atmaram Nadkarni said that as per the law, state government is supposed to propose the name of the candidate, and both the Chief Justice of the Bombay High Court and the Leader of Opposition are free to reject the name suggested by the government. But in the case of Justice Sudarshan Reddy, none of them opposed the name. Replying about the search committee, Advocate General said the Chief Minister cannot perform all the formalities himself, so a search committee was formed. High Court reserved its order. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Farmers' website was launched on Tuesday in Margao. South Goa Zilla Panchayat, in coordination with AIM and Identity of Myself, held a symposium at Ravindra Bhavan. The website will provide a platform for the farmers to sell their product to the hoteliers directly. The website is farmersfederationgoa.com. NABARD has proposed a joint liability group concept to government to provide financial assistance to farmers.
भरपूर आहेत, बँका सगळ्यात जास्त गोव्यामध्ये आहे. इतर सगळ्या स्टेटच्या कंपॅरिझन मध्ये ब्रांच नेटवर्क गोव्यात सगळ्यात जास्त आहे. पण ते म्हणतात की पैसे द्यायचे कसे? लँड टायटल यांचं क्लिअर नाहीये. तर याच्यावर काहीतरी तोडगा काढला गेला पाहिजे. नाबार्ड आणि स्टेट गव्हर्नमेंट आणि आम्ही सगळे त्याच्यावर विचार करतो. जेएलजी ज्याला आपण म्हणतो, ह्या कन्सेप्ट आम्ही गव्हर्नमेंट पुढे ठेवल्या. ह्या कन्सेप्ट याच्यासाठी की आमच्याकडचे जे शेतकरी वर्ग आहे, 50% त्याच्यातल्या ज्या स्त्रिया आहेत त्या सुद्धा काहीतरी करू इच्छितात.
South Goa Zilla Panchayat organized Farmers and Hoteliers Marketing Symposium at Ravindra Bhavan on Tuesday. Chairman of Goa Bhagyadar Cooperative Society Narendra Sawaikar, South Goa ZP member Nelly Rodriguez, Chairman of Ravindra Bhavan Damu Naik and others were present during the launching of website.
ही जी शेती आसा, ही जी शेतकार आमचो आसा, ज्याच्या आधाराचेर आमचे गोंय टिकून आसा, ते शेतकाराक खऱ्या अर्थान आधार दिवपाची गरज आसा. वो ड्रायव्ह इन एग्रीकल्चर मार्केटिंगाचो कन्सेप्ट सरकारान तकलेन घेतलेलो आसा. म्हणून हे अशे तरेच्या कन्सेप्टाच्या आधाराचेर आमचे गोंय हे आमी राखून दवरपाक शकतले. तुमच्या वर्तमानपत्राच्या माध्यमांतल्यान लोकांच्या मुखार हाडचे.
Reporter Samir Bhatt for Prudent.
Chairman of Goa Electronics Ltd has denied any mistake on their part and has further said that it doesn't matter if an address of a truck owner goes wrong in their record. GEL registration number is most important for availing the package. Prudent had highlighted the goof-ups of Goa Electronics Ltd while registering addresses of few truck owners from Sangay. However, Chairman has appealed the applicants from Mining Belt to verify any kind of query with him personally or with the MD or CEO of GEL.
तुमचो थंय जो पेन आसा तो आमी समजूंक शकता. तुमकां हांव सांगूंक सोदतां की जो रेजिस्ट्रेशन पळय जो ट्रक रेजिस्ट्रेशन जो फॉर्मेट आशिल्लो, तुमी फक्त हो रेजिस्ट्रेशन नंबर इज इम्पॉर्टंट. हो जो GL रेजिस्ट्रेशन हाजेर एड्रेसीस रॉंग सुद्दां आसत जाल्यार तातूंत कांयच फरक पडना. एक्चुली रॉंग ना ते. कोणें आपल्याक कितें एन्क्वायरी जाय जाल्यार म्हजे कडेन पर्सनली येवन केल्यार जाता. आमचो MD आसा BS बोरकर, ताजे कडेन केल्यार जाता. आमची CEO रेवती मजुमदार, ताजे कडेन केल्यार जाता. तुमी मायनिंगेचो जो पॅकेजीचो जो फॉर्म आसा मायन्स डिपार्टमेंट जे तुमकां दिल्ले आसा मायन्स डिपार्टमेंटान, तो फॉर्म भरून हो रेजिस्ट्रेशन नंबर थंय घालपाचो. तुमचो जो प्रोसेसींग आसा तें GL सारकें वेवस्थीत रितीन करतलें.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.